Well, I first realized that I was getting famous, or I was famous or popular, when I was having dinner at East Japanese, and about 4 or 5 people came up to me and they said, "Hey, you're Bella." You know, that's my YouTube name, Bella Blair. And I said, "Yes, I am." They asked me for my autograph, which was a shock to me because I thought, you know, that was probably old school, or only like big names stars gave out autographs. Anyways, I said, well, you know, I'm not prepared to give out autographs. I don't have any pen, I don't have any paper, I'm just here to have dinner. Anyways, they found a pen, and some napkins were on the table, and they they gave me the napkins, and I was like, this is serious, this is for real. And so I signed my autograph and I gave it to them. Well, you know, me getting into performing and the performing arts has a whole different story to it than me getting into video blogging, because I actually use my performing skills that I've garnered over the years to, you know, video blog or upload videos of skits or whatever on YouTube. I started out in the performing arts at a very tender age, a very young age actually. I went to Lanneman's Prep, and they focused a lot on the performing arts, whether it be music, drama, or dance, and I was in all three at school. So I started at about probably 4, because I entered my first drama competition when I was 4, and I got a silver medal at the age of 4, and I continued up through high school, through university. I started video blogging in university actually, because I got my new MacBook Pro, my new computer, and it had iMovie on it, and I wanted to test it out. I wanted to try editing, because that's one of my skills that I learned at school. That's editing. I wanted to try out editing, and so I acted a few takes on my computer, because I didn't have a camera at the time, like an HD camera at the time, and I uploaded it to my computer, edited it, and I put out a video, and people started liking it. People started gravitating towards my channel, and I got viewers, and I continued to get viewers because I continued to put posts up, and here I am today.